Action. Good morning, everyone. How was your day? So we are from group number 5 today. Here we are going to teach you guys about isometric and oblique. Have you guys ever heard of isometric and oblique? If you do, then good for you. We, as a designer, without we realizing, we already use isometric and oblique. It's just we didn't realize it because we never learned about it. So before I go further into our discussion and lesson, I'm going to ask you guys a quick question. Which one of this picture is isometric and which one is oblique? Hafiz Iskandar. Yes, Hafiz Iskandar. Can you answer it? If you answer on the left is isometric, then you are wrong, because the isometric is actually on the right. Left one is oblique. Alright, we're going to carry on with our first topic, which is isometric. So I'm going to pass this session to Auni Madiha, which is she is going to explain about isometric.
Thank you, ZA'IMUL. So firstly, I will explain about what is isometric. Isometric illustration is the method of depicting ideas which form in actual three-dimensional objects. This method can describe the object shape easily. The construction could be done based on the object shape which viewed from a certain direction. So this is the image of isometric viewed from different direction. Next is isometric sketches. Isometric projection produced using three axes. First, vertical axis, second, left axis, and third, right axis. The left and right axis are produced at the angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal lines. This picture shows the main axis of isometric developed with 30-degree set square. Next is the picture of box in isometric drawing. This isometric sketching from multi-view drawing. Next is selection of isometric axis view A are preferred as it reveals more details than the others. Next, I will pass to Javed to show you on how to draw the isometric drawing.
Thank you, Auni, and let's start our isometric drawing. Okay, so let's start from this one and we draw again the bigger one. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, first on the basic line, we must have this straight line and this. This is the baseline, and the most important thing is this one. This one, we are using this ruler. The reason why, because this ruler here is 30 degrees, and this is the unique part in isometric perspection. So the whole time, we are using this ruler to finish our whole drawing. Now, I'm drawing the parts here. So, you can drawing a small part by one part to complete the drawing. So, as now I'm doing is this small one. So, all the lines here are from here. Okay, so you can see now, actually I have finished all the drawing, but for now, I have to bold the line to make this drawing look more clearly. So now this is the result of the drawings. Remember, for isometric, we have the 30 degrees angles on left and right. That's all. Thank you.
Now, I will explain about oblique drawings. This drawing is another method that can show the shape of an object inside drawing form. It has many similarities with isometric drawing because the image drawn in 3 dimensions. This drawing is also known as oblique projection. Do you know this drawing actually widely applied in 2D game video? Does anyone know about it? Atika? Okay, time's up. The answer is yes. If you guys notice from this video game image, what does it say? Is this oblique? It is because one of the surface is parallel at the right angles. You guys just only remember one tips. Usually, one angle represents angle 90 degrees, while the other is using angle of 30, 45, and 60 degrees. If you guys still do not understand, you guys can refer to the example below. One permanent angle will be used 90-degree angle, while the others can be changed according to condition given. Next, the oblique drawing is also divided into 3 projections. First is cabinet projection. Next is cabinet projection. And lastly, general projection. Cabinet projection is use actual measurement on the plane and projection. Cabinet projection use 1/2 measurement the actual size. The lastly, general projection. This is using 3/4 the actual size measurement. However, this drawing has some weakness. For example, it cannot show accurate and is not suitable for long object drawing. That's all for me.
Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do what?
Oblique. Take 3 and action.
Hey guys, today we're going to do oblique drawing. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to draw this object from scratch. First, you need to make horizontal line, and then you use your 45-degree set square and make the vertical line. After that, you need to make the front plane first. So, after we're done with the front plane, we're going to do the depth using 45-degree set square. You need to do this on every edge. And now, we're going to involve the object line. And now, the drawing is done. So, that is how you draw an oblique drawing like a boss.
Alright guys, so let's recap the tools that we're gonna use for today's lesson. First of all, we have our drawing board. This drawing board, we're gonna use it to put our paper and also our tools. Second of all, we have our T-square. This T-square is important to draw our vertical line and also our horizontal line. Next, we have the set square. For set square, we got the 45 angle set square, and we also can be double as 90 angle set square. Then we also have our 60 degree angle set square and also a 30 degrees angle set square. Last but not least, our pencil. So we're gonna use our 0.3 pencil to draw our grid line and also our outline. While the 0.5 pencil, we're gonna use it to draw our visible line and also to mold our object. And as a bonus, you guys can also have a grid paper for much faster sketching, the isometric and oblique sketch. However, for today, we're going to use our tools to draw our own grid line. So, now it's time to grab our tools.
That is all for our lesson in isometric and oblique. So for now, I'm going to invite someone and give a recap about what we have learned today. And that guy is Brody. Alright, Dos. What is your thoughts about the lesson that we have learned today?
I think that this asymmetric
Masih sikit,
lesson is very good for us because we are designers, so we do sketch a lot, and by having this knowledge, we can utilize our product preview. Yeah, from the bottom of my heart.
Yes, not from the script.
No,
Not from the script. Okay, that is all for him. And we are going to end our video here. Thank you everyone for listening, and now we are going to give credit to our tutors, our friends. And this is the video.